Okay, today I am going to share with you a very unique way to generate grades using Vlookup function in Microsoft Excel. It is fast, precise, and most important is automatic. So, without further ado, let's get started. So when you open the Microsoft Excel, you will get this kind of information: the name of the student and the marks given for each student. So here is the range mark for each grade. Now, from the range marks for each grade here, we're going to make another table as a reference to generate grades on this side of column. So, first thing first, for each grade, we're going to insert the lowest minimum value, which is this one. F is 0, D 40, C 50, C plus 55, B 65, B plus 75, A 80, and last but not least is 101. So next, we're going to highlight this table, the information that we have insert here, and rename it as grade. Okay, you can rename it as you like, but for this tutorial, we're going to use it as grade. Next, we are going to generate the grades. So highlight the cell, the grade cell here, and click on formula ribbon, insert function, and look for Vlookup. Okay, next, for lookup value, the value of marks that we're going to refer. So this one is the cell beside the grade cell, E6. So next is the table array, the table that we have renamed it as grade. For the column index number, we are going to use the second. The values that we're going to insert inside this column. So in this case, we're going to insert the alphabet F, D, C, C plus, D, B plus, and A. So here we put 2 and press OK. Okay, now the grade is already generated. We hover our pointer and drag this down, and now the grades is generated automatically. So that's all from me. Thank you.